Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easy repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 10 minutes to complete. Tech note: for display purposes, we have removed the steering column from the vehicle to best explain how to install this part. For retaining screw applications, the ignition switch will need to be removed with a T20 security Torx bit prior to attempting installation. Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable. To begin the installation, turn the key to the on position. With the key in the on position, either push in the key cylinder retaining pin or remove the retaining screw. Tech note: the retaining method may vary among applications by using either a retaining screw or a retaining pin. Finally, rotate the key back into the off position. Remove the key from the ignition lock and remove the ignition lock from the switch. In order to install the new cylinder, insert the new lock into the ignition switch. Insert the key into the replacement cylinder, rotate the key to the on position, and replace retaining pin or retaining screw.